Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to flip an image in Canva in a quick and simple way. First, open your design in Canva. Now click on the image or graphic that you want to flip. Once selected, you will see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. Next, look for the option called Flip in that top toolbar. Click on it and you will see two choices. You can choose Flip Horizontal if you want to reverse the image from left to right. This is useful if you want to mirror the image. Or you can choose Flip Vertical if you want to turn the image upside down. This works well for creative effects or reflections. Just click on the option you need and the change will apply instantly. If you are not happy with the result, you can press Undo or click the Flip option again to adjust it. One helpful tip is to always check how the flipped image looks with your full design. Sometimes text or direction in the image may not look correct after flipping. Thanks for watching.